Okay, so this video is to show the problem that we're having with our Kenmore 80 series washer. As you can see, the washer's set to run, and when we turned it on, it filled up with water, but the clothes did not ever begin to agitate. I have tried bypassing the lid switch. That didn't do anything, so I put the lid switch back in. I also, down at the bottom, put in a new motor coupling and checked the pump. Everything seemed fine there. This is what it sounds like. So I'm guessing maybe the problem is with the timer.